How to fix booking.com login not working. Let's get started. So for that, first of all, open up your browser. In the search bar, search for booking.com. And first of all, you have to make sure you're entering the correct email address and password. Double check for typing mistakes and ensure the caps lock is turned off. If you have forgotten your password, you can simply click on Forgot Password on the sign in page and follow the alternate instruction to reset it. Next, check your internet connection and try refreshing the page. If you're using the booking.com app, make sure it's updated to its latest version. You can even try clearing the app cache or reinstalling it. Now, if you're using a browser, you can clear browser cache and cookies or try using a different device or browser. If you're still unable to log in, you can visit booking.com help center, and just like that, you can contact their customer support for further assistance. That's it. Hopefully one of these solutions help you get back into your account. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and liking this video.